In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and get Chick-Fil-A for free. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. And of course, if you want more Chick-Fil-A news just like this, make sure you subscribe with all notifications on so you don't miss anything in the future. That being said, today is the first day for Chick-Fil-A's yearly event called Code Moo, which allows you to get a ton of Chick-Fil-A for completely free. All you have to do is log into the Chick-Fil-A app, go to the For You section over here and hit play the game. And every single day there's going to be a brand new game for you to go ahead and play to get some sort of Chick-Fil-A item for free. In today's example, it looks like we're getting medium Chick-Fil-A waffle fries for free. But you got to keep in mind that it looks like they only have a certain amount of free rewards to give out. So you want to make sure that you play this as soon as possible. To actually go ahead and play it, go ahead and click on the exact minigame, choose the cow that you want to play as and hit play game. And then it'll tell you the instructions for that specific game. In this case, it looks like I just need to hide. Let's see. Let's try hiding here real quick. And we just avoided the security guard. Pretty simple. And you just have to do this for the amount of time. So once again, the games are always going to be changing. So make sure that you try and adjust to whatever changes it might be. But yeah, it really is as simple as this. Now this, once again, is a limited time event that Chick-Fil-A throws every single year. If you are watching this video and Code Moo is no longer happening, the best way to get Chick-Fil-A for free is just by spending money there and using the rewards app, because eventually you'll be able to get meals for free anyways. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. Have a great day. Bye-bye.